Hi, today we will discuss how to create a Shopify logo for free. For this, we will use two tools. One is Canva.com and the second is cooltext.com. Using cooltext.com, you can easily draw a text logo for free. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Using cooltext.com, you can easily create text logos. Just click here and put the your logo name. Here we will designing logo for this store and I put that for Zilla. Now just click here on logo and you can now change its color. I will do like that and change the outline color and just click here create logo and your logo will be created and you can just download here for free. If you want a simple logo, you can use this method. The second platform which we mostly use is the Canva.com. It is a paid platform, but if you want a logo with white background, you can use them as a free also. If you want a logo in transparent, then you have to pay them. They mostly charge $10 for a month, and if your stores start running, I will recommend you take that package because you constantly need want a platform where you can design your ads and banners for your store. And here there are thousands of templates available that you can use and easily customize and create your store logo. And you can just write here, if you want a fashion logo you can write here fashion. If you want garden or like, oh no, we want a fashion, you just click here fashion, you will select this one and here you can do the stuff. Just click here and put that. Now we will adjust it according to our needs. We will now make it little smaller so it can adjust here. And now we will remove this line below, small line. Now here is our simple logo is ready. You just click here on download and here you can download it. You can also make this post transparent and use to your site for free. For this we mostly use this online tool. You can just click here and click on upload. It mostly works, but in some complicated logos it don't work also. Just click on here logo and upload it. Now you can crop this also because it is quite a large post. You just click here on here cropping tools. Now we will select rectangle. Now clear. Now just click here crop. It is no crop, and if you want to make it transparent, click here on edit and transparent background. Click on here in transparent background. Now click on the, you have two options. You can click on the make it transparent. We just click here. Now it is transparent. It is not perfect, but it mostly works. So now we just click on here file and save image. Save as png. Now just we can upload these logo to our store and use them. You can just click here upload. You can now adjust the size of it like that. Now your simple logo is ready for free. You can use these tools for creating the logo for free. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks.